She whispers in the breeze so fine, the giggle of the waters rhyme. Her laughter dances with the trees. In nature's arms we find our ease. A flame that cracks the coldest night. In fire's hearth we find our light. The earth beneath where dreams take root. In nature's dance all elements mute. Heal the planet, heal the heart. Every element a work of art. Earth and wind and fire and sea, together they make one life's decree. Rivers weave through rolling hills, the wind's song with 1,000 thrills. Mountains stand with stalwart grace. In nature's arms we find our place. Sunrise paints the sky with hope. Moonlight wraps the night like a cloak. Nature's touch so pure and strong. In her symphony we all belong. Heal the planet, heal the heart. Every element's a work of art. Earth and wind and fire and sea, together they make one life's decree. Sunrise paints the sky with hope. Moonlight wraps the night like a cloak. Nature's touch so pure and strong. In her symphony we all belong.
They might as charming reactorless. And all show of his backwoods are like I tried his touring sweet dreams. And every take there is all streets I nick strove Malik. The stakers is all for I just reeky many things I need to reak. Oh please stand the size all in my spore. Oh please stars obey the size of the fine share in your health.